Hi, welcome everyone. This is Lanre Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create the front page of the Fidelity Bank ID card. Now, this is the appearance of how the ID card looks like in the front page. The first thing to do, having getting your ID card, is to measure the ID card, and then you apply the measurement, or you set the size in the CorelDraw environment. So you have to measure the size, the length and the breadth. As we can see, the length of this ID card is 3.5 inch and the breadth is 2.3 inch, which I'm going to apply in the CorelDraw environment. Now let's begin. To do that, there are two ways. You either use your ruler to apply the measurement, or you use the page size. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the page size. The first thing is to change your units to inches. Then from there, I apply the measurement 3.5 by 2.3. Then I press my enter key. That has applied the measurement for me. Then I go to since it's a white background, so I don't need to apply any page background to my ID card. So all I just need to do now is to begin to apply the information on the ID card. Now the first information there is Fidelity. I have a Fidelity and the logo. So I will first impute the text information before I'm going to impute the other information. So I'm going to be starting with the text information. I have Fidelity, I have Oluwatoyin Mekaisi. Then after that, I have Fidelity Bank PLC. Then after that, I have 12 our road, 12 comma our road. Now the purpose or the essence of clicking differently is to make my text to stand differently. I don't want them to be packed together, but since this is together, so I just click my enter key to the next line and I continue to type Ondo State, Ondo, Nigeria. Then I have some other text which are also different. There we have plus 234 807 233 223 and 8413. Then also there I have the email, which is abiola.mekaisi at fidelitybank.ng at fidelitybank.ng. Then the last thing I have is the website address, which is www.fidelity.com, fidelitybank.ng. fidelitybank.ng. Now let me begin I want to resize the text and place them in the appropriate position on my doc or my design. So I have Fidelity. Look for the appropriate font size. Then this, I take it down to the right size. You determine that with your own discretion, because the size of the text are not written. So you have to look via the ID card and decide the size. Look via the ID card and decide the size that would give you the exact design you were looking for. Okay. So I'm coming. So I have this going down. I want my Fidelity to be here. Then I have the address. Let me take it down to 8. Then I have the phone number. Let me also take that down to 8. Then I have my email address. Let me also take that down to 8. Then I have the website address. Let me also take that down to 8. You know, so that will be all concerning the text information. Now I want to apply the graphical information like we have it here, the logo and the graphic information beside the address, depicting the telephone number, the email symbol, and the mouse pointer depicting the website address. Now watch me as I do that one after the other. Let me start with the logo. I have my logo written. So I wanna so I'm gonna be using my B-spline tool to draw this. I have this. I hold down my shift key over there. Sorry, I'm not pleased with that line. I'm gonna redraw that. Hold down my control key. Then I click on my shape tool. It's pointer. Shape 2. This one should come out like this from the shape of the object, and this should be blue color. And I have another one, Ctrl D, the second one, which is going to stand on the other side. I rotate 180 degrees, which is standing here. Shape 2, this one should go in, and then I can increase the size to match up with the other one. So I have this coming down. So this is blue and this is in the green. You can remove the outline, no outline and no outline. Then you bring them together. You can see what I'm doing. Can group this, Ctrl G, and I place it beside the fidelity. So the logo is standing perfect. Now I want to draw the other graphic information beside the text. Now I'm starting with address. For the address, I come down to my basic shape. I pick this, perfect. I rotate in 180 degrees, then I give it green color, and I give it no outline. Then I draw a circle in the middle. a circle in the middle, which is going to be white color. Remove the outline of the circle. It's perfect. Ctrl G to group it together. Reduce it, take it to the appropriate size and place it beside the text. So that one is standing. Then the others, the next is the one for the phone number. I have my rectangle drawn, having the blue green color, another rectangle standing inside, having the white color, and this one should be okay. Then no outline, and this too, the one in the middle, no outline. Then we have a 0. I'm going to draw a small circle in the middle with white color. Pick it and drop it down here. No outline too. Then I can group them together. Ctrl G and reduce the size. Place it beside my number. That stands for the phone number. The next is the symbol for your email address. That's very simple. Draw a rectangle with only the outline color. Get the entire color to be green. To give the green color, then you draw, that's 0.14 inch. Then I draw a triangle, then I rotate it to be balanced. Then bring it in, inch 0.14, 0.14 inch, like we did to the outer one. Move this up with your arrow key. Let it balance up. Balance well. The color is green. Then you can group together, Ctrl G. Then you bring it beside your email. You can reduce the outline a little bit. Then the last one is the symbol for the website, which is the mouse pointer symbol. Let me use the blue B-spline tool. Draw like this, and this, like this. Then you click on the shape tool, and this, and this. Then the color is green color. You can reduce it. So that will be the end of our tutorial on how to create the front page of this ID card. You can see very well it looks very much like the one we are asked to design. Look at it. So thank you. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Bye.